Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make audio call or a video call in Google Chat application. Alright guys, first of all, we need to open our Google Chat application, and after we have opened our Google Chat application, we can search for an account or a contact that we want to call. We just need to click on the search in chat option, and you can type the account you want to call. And just to make it simple, I'm gonna call this contact. So we can click on it. Then if we want to make an audio call, we just need to click on this phone icon. If we want to make a video call, just click on this video call icon. And for instance, I'm going to make audio call, so we can click on this icon. Okay, and now the audio call is being started, and we just need to wait for the account to pick up this call. And we can also end the call by clicking on this button. And we can also switch from audio call to video call by clicking on this video call button, like this. And okay, that's it. And alright guys, that's how we can make audio call or video call in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.